Hey guys, this is Kat from Utah. Today we'll be installing a receiver hitch on a Chevy Colorado. With that, you can take your family camping, biking, you can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's break this hitch down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. All right, now we're gonna prep for our hitch. The steps for this are gonna be the same on the passenger and driver's side. I am on the driver's side. We are going to be taking out the 2 bumper bracket bolts with a 21mm socket. And we will repeat these steps on the passenger side. All right, now we're gonna put our hitch into position using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have access to one, you are gonna need a second pair of hands. This hitch is heavy. We're back on the driver's side. We are now going to install our provided hardware at our bumper bracket. We have 2 provided spacer blocks, 2 conical teeth washers. The teeth here will go against the hitch, and 2 bolts. And now we're gonna take our spacer block, we're gonna put it between the hitch and the bumper bracket. Using our bolt, we are gonna catch it and secure it in. And we will repeat these steps on the passenger side. So we have one more attachment point right here on each side. I am on the driver's side. We are gonna fish wire our carriage bolt from here and attach. So our provided hardware is a block, 2 washers, a carriage bolt, and a fish wire. We are gonna take our 2 washers, we're gonna put them between the hitch and the frame and fish our fish wire through it. We're gonna take our block, we're gonna put it over and then screw on our carriage bolt. And then we're gonna pull it through. We're then gonna take off our fish wire. We're gonna take our conical tooth washer, teeth facing the hitch, and our provided nut, and we're going to put them on our bolt. And we will repeat these steps on the passenger side. Now that we have our bolts in place, we are going to tighten and torque to manufacturer specifications. For our top bolts, we've got a 22mm socket. In our bottom bolt, we will have an 11/16. Now that we have our hitch installed and we are on level ground, we're gonna talk about some important measurements for your hitch accessories. So we have a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 3.5 inches. From the ground up to the upper inside of the receiver is 18 inches. So this will help you determine your length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. Thank you for watching our video. Again, I am Kat. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.